Good morning. So it's 6 in the morning. The Walmart opens at 6:30, but I want to get there right when they open. We had a little activity at the campground. Some vehicles did pull in, and like I said, I really do enjoy this spot. And there was one van that came in at like 4 in the morning, so I was already making my morning coffee. So I know they're going to be sleeping in. But then there's also a couple other vehicles that showed up. I really do prefer this spot. So once again, I might break down one day. I won't buy brand new, but I'll try to see if, when I'm at thrift stores or whatever, to find a small, child's tent so I can set it up to kind of give the appearance of, hey, I'm coming back. I've heard that doesn't always work, but that's the reason why I want to make sure it's a throwaway. All right, so I'm gonna head up to Walmart. I want to pick up a couple of things. Also, I want the starter battery to charge a little bit, because once again, I am charging my fan battery and my cell phone. It's not that big of a draw, but it's still, I'd like to go ahead and put at least a half an hour or so on the alternator to go ahead. I might start thinking about using the house battery, but if I had solar. Right now, yesterday there was some sun, but I'm not in a solar spot. So I'll have to figure that out as we go on. So good morning again, and off I go. Back from Walmart, I was able to get the campsite back, so that's very good. Now I'll be here. I'm not moving the van till like next week. Uh, so I am going to monitor a few things. I do use, like I mentioned, I do use my starter battery to charge my fan battery. I don't know how much it's really pulling. So I might, once again, solar is, I guess I could put it out, but it's really not that strong right now. Um, so I could do that to charge the house battery up. I'll play it by ear. I'm using it a lot less. There's a beautiful breeze going through the van now. I have the screen up. But a quick little story. I met a couple yesterday when I was out hiking. They had driven their vehicle over to that Snoopers Outlook or whatever it was called. And they actually, I mentioned that they were actually the ones that showed up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know where they were off to or whatever. But they were having problems today trying to get their vehicle started. So I do have one of those starter kits. It's just a big battery. It can start a vehicle, but it can also sit there. It also has an air compressor built into it. It's like one of those multi-tools. I think I've mentioned it in one of the van build videos. But that wasn't it. I didn't ask because they did get it started later. I told them, come back here if you needed anything else. They actually got it started, and as they were leaving, they drove by to thank me for for my help. But the thing is that two things. One is the willingness to help. We live in a time now where everybody's worried. As much as I have said on this channel how much I appreciate and how much I treasure people offering help to me, I feel like it's also my job, to offer, to give help when asked. I know it's hard sometimes. I know once again, it's moving outside of your comfort zone in a different way, but the reward is great, because when they were leaving, they made sure to stop by just to thank me for trying to help them. And and I could tell that they appreciated it, and I appreciate it. So it's a very, very nice thing. Second thing is that I really do believe you should have one of those things in your vehicle. They're not that expensive. If you're going to do this kind of lifestyle, or not even that, it's just good to have one of these things. They're not that expensive. They're like, oh, you can get them on the Amazon. You don't have to get one of the high-end models. I think they run anywhere between $60 to $100 for peace of mind. Because I remember back in the day, because you can tell by my beard that everybody had jumper cables, and you were dependent on somebody else being around. And that they would come and pull their vehicle up to your vehicle, so you could sit there and use the jumper cables. Now we live in a time that we don't need those, though it's still, it's still nice to help. So just a thought. All right. Just enjoying the day. I've been editing a few videos, which it's part of the business. It's also it's the routines that also help keep me busy, so I'm not too idle. Haven't been able to go out walking a lot because the rain just keeps coming and going. In fact, it's the thing. That's the thing I've been the busiest with, is putting up the screen, taking down the screen, putting up the screen, taking down the screen. But that's fine. Something to do. But it's been beautiful, just listening to the rain and just enjoying. Didn't buy much at Walmart. I mentioned I did go Walmart shopping. I got a couple of more cans of some canned beans, and also the chopped up. It's like Rotel, but it's the Walmart value, great value Rotel kind of, to add into the refried beans. Which I enjoy that for dinners, and that also lasts actually into it's a dinner and a lunch and the dinner the next day, because it fills the whole. I didn't get any of the vegan cheese because it's not going to hold. I'm not going to have that tonight. I'm thinking about burritos or tacos probably in a couple of days. On days like this, when I'm not that active, I try my best not to, eat out of boredom or eat in the same quantities as I do when I'm very active. And that's one of the things when you start backpacking or you exercise regularly, you do kind of your appetite does increase. But then if you're not doing it regularly, say you do it, for a couple of days and then you're off a couple of days, you got to constantly balance it. And that's what I tried to do. So for today, for breakfast, I just had a protein shake. And also I bought some fresh apples. So that was nice. And then for dinner, I'll probably have another one of those backpacker meals. But then, for, in between, that's about all I do for the day. Because once again, I'm pretty much sitting most of the time. I try to do a little bit of exercising, on the platform, and, stretching also. But yeah, the things to do. All right. So I forgot to do an outro for this video. So I'm making it up for now. So thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you for watching. And like I always say, I hope all of you go out and have your own great adventure. Thanks again.